In this video, we'll fill out MRP forms for the last two items. They are item D and E. Let's do D first. So to determine parts requirements of D, we must look at C and A. Okay, so 1A, 1D, 1C, 2D. There are two places here and right here. And let's look at their inventory record file. You have 20 on hand for item D, 0 on order, 2 weeks lead time, and the lot sizing strategy is EOQ, and the lot size 100. Okay, this is item D. 22 weeks, 100. So let's fill out the form. Item D, 2-week lead time. Order size or lot size 100. Okay. 20 on hand. Right? 0 on order. Now next, determine cost requirements. We look at both A and C. So look at planned order release of item A. Week 1, 10, week 4, 30, week 7, 40. So you can fill out 10, 30, 40 in week 1, 4, and 7. Okay. Because they're multiplied by 1. So 10, 30, and 40. Okay, these are from item A, planned order release. Now next, let's look at item C. Planned order release for item C is 50 week 3, 50 week 6. Now, if the number 50 here, it's the planned order release is 50 week 4 instead of week 3. You're gonna do 50 times 2 plus 30. Okay, but they're in different weeks, so you'd have to sum the numbers. All right, 50 times 2, it's 100. Okay, 50 times 2, it's 100. All right, next, net requirements. Week 1, 10 minus 0, on hand is 20. Net requirements, you can just enter negative, but it's indicate the order size that you need to place, right? So just enter 0. And then on hand, so you have 20 available in week 1, you use 10, you have 10 on hand, and it's carried over to week 2 and 3. Week 3, 100 cost requirements minus 0 on order, minus 10 on hand, net requirement is 90. And you want at least 90 to arrive just in time, and the lot size here is 100. So one lot is enough, right? So you place an order for one lot. So one lot arrive in week 3, 100 arrive in week 3, and you need to place an order right here in week 1 because lead time is 2 weeks. Next, on hand in week 4 is 100 minus 90, which is 10. Okay, and net requirement is 30 minus 0 minus 10, which is 20. So you need at least 20 to arrive just in time in week 4. So you place an order for one lot. One lot is enough. 100. Okay, so 100 arrive in week 4. You place an order right here in week 2, right? So 100 arrive, you use 20, you have 80 on hand. 80 on hand. Week 6, week 6, 100 minus 0 on order, minus 80 on hand, 20 net requirements. at least 20 must arrive just in time. So you expected at least 20 will arrive, right? But lot sizing is 100. So 100 will arrive instead of 20. 100 arrive just in time. One lot arrive. And you place an order right here in week 4. Okay? Week 7, 100 arrive, you use 20. So you have 80 on hand. 40 minus 0 minus 80 is negative 40. So, but there's do not enter negative number here. It's just enter 0. If it's negative, it's indicated you don't need to place any order. And on hand, it's going to be 80, right? 80 available, and you use 40. You're going to have 40 on hand. All right, now we're ready. Planned order release for the item D is 100, 100, 100, week 1, 2, 4, right? Okay, 100, 100, 100, here it's week 1, 2, 4. So choice A is the correct answer. Okay, next is item E. So E is right here. 1C, 3E. Okay, 1C, 3E. And E, you have 10 on hand, 2 weeks lead time, and 50 is the order size. Item E, lead time 2 weeks. Order size 50. Okay, 10 on hand, right? Is it 10 on hand? Yes. Okay, 10 on hand. On order is 0. Next, determine cost requirements. We look at C, planned order release. 50 week 3, 50 week 6. So 50 times 3 is 150. 50 times 3 is 150. Okay. Now next, determine net requirements. On hands carry over to week 1 to 3. Week 3, net requirement is 150 minus 0 minus 10, which is 1. Okay. At least 140 must arrive in week 3. But order size 50. So you're going to place an order for 3 lots. 50 times 3 is 150. And you will place an order right here in week 1 because lead time is 2 weeks. Now next, week 4, 150 arrive in week 3. You use 140. On hand is 10. Okay, it's carried over to week 4, 5, 6. Week 6, 150 minus 0 on order minus 0 on hand. You have 140 net requirements. And for 140, okay, you need 140. 3 lots is enough. So 50 times 3. Okay, at least 140 must arrive in week 6. So 3 lots is enough. 50 times 3. It's 150. And you place an order in week 4. Okay, so the planned order release for item E is week 1, 150, week 4, 150. Let's take a look. 1, 4. So the answer is choice B. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.